Alright folks, fog light bulb, Rav4, H11s they are. These are just the basic bulbs. You can go crazy and spend for LEDs and all the other stuff and go up to $100. I'm going to show you how to take it off. Right, from underneath there's 3 bolts. It's 1, it's 2, and then 3. And then this whole piece will be a little loose. Then you come in here to this side and take this part of the fender skirt off. This piece, you just get the little tool in there and just pry that open, and that will come right out like that, because I'm doing it without the tool. Let me go get my tool. All right, there you go. Just snap it right out. That comes out, and then you'll be able to move this whole thing. This actually slides out from in here. Okay, once that slides open, you're going to see the lamp. I'm going to show you on this side. Okay, once this panel comes off, this just slides right out because that clip goes through this hole. Once you peel it back a little bit, you're going to take a peeky in there, and there is where your bulb is, right? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Here it is right here. There is the bulb. Turn it to the left to remove it. Okay, just like that. Then squeeze this little piece here, just peel that back a little bit, this clip. Okay, and then install the new bulb. And that's it. Let's put it back in. There it is, righty tighty, it's in there. Now I just gotta put this little panel back together, and we are gonna be good to go. Come on, I'm gonna show you the other side. Okay, let's show you on this side here. Same thing, take the panel off. This slides off, this one slides off with the clip. If you look inside, let me see if I can show you inside. There it is right there, that's the bulb. Okay, gotta reach in there and just turn it off. Lefty loosey, gonna do left-handed right here. And there it is. Okay, you can bring it down here, for me at least. All right, there's the bulb. Look how bad it is. Just burnt out. Okay, that's the baby. All right, change the bulbs, put it all together, and you're good to go. All right, let's turn it on. Let's see. Let's try the other side. All right, so if you want, before you put everything together, you can try it out. But new bulbs always work, as long as it's plugged in right. Okay, that's it. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Ciao.